everybody, and welcome back to Planet Zoo, where the last time we lost Snowball. I'm so sad about that, but I can finally actually play Planet Zoo again, so it's gonna take me a bit to get used to the controls again. But that's okay. So, yeah, last time we lost Snowball, so we were just watching Snowball's little son, Yotimo, her only son, actually, if you look at genealogy, her only son with Icicle. So, because she had plenty of children in other zoos, but poor Icicle only has his one offspring. And his parents are unknown. So yeah, I just think that's super sad. We can watch through this floating camera. It's floating. We can watch through here. Just her little son. Uh-oh. This I think we have the effect on, guys, because this water is not supposed to be this color blue. Hold on. We need to turn filter this off. Why is the water that color blue? Okay, there we go. Now it's back to its normal color, and I'm so sad about that. Snowball, it didn't even say she was an elder. So, what do you need? Why are you unhappy? Oh, I didn't mean to do what I just did. Okay, yeah, why are you people unhappy? No, that's a janitor. Is it just the view? They're thirsty. Not really. Oh, that's our inspector. 5 stars for our habitats. Very nice. You look sad. People think our zoo is small. I'm saving up for a nice looking Arctic section. Although, let me check animal storage because, we have, okay, let's see. We have binturons. We have a female African penguin. Do we have, okay, we have a lot of binturons. Okay, yeah, so we have African penguins, Babirusa. I don't know about gray seal. We have plenty of fennec fox. Let's see, let's look for more in, okay, we don't need to, oh wait, we actually do need to filter for polar bears. They all cost so much. Yes, alright. Yeah, because she's not even that good. Do they? Yeah, because we need, geez, that one's very expensive. Okay, I understand why he's very expensive. I guess, yeah, because we need a female if we want to, let's see. Better immunity, but not as much longevity. Okay, yeah, we have plenty, so we are going to adopt this polar bear. Because we do need polar bears. So that, you know, we might be able to have more polar bear babies. So my goal for this time is, to get enough money so I feel comfortable to have us start working on this. So my basic plan is, let me show you guys barriers. So to have this. So this is going to be the outline for the polar bear habitat, exhibit, whatever you want to call it. So I want to actually explore construction for a little bit. See, if there's any, glass windows, maybe? Or, glass roofs? Uh-oh. Mechanic. Yeah. Glass? Oh, here we go. So, we're just going to, oh, I can't move. Okay, yes, that's great. Thank you. Let's try. Yeah, so these are pretty small. Oh, also guys, in the settings I realized that you can put things, into Fahrenheit. Good, our new polar bear is here. You happy? I hope she's happy. Where's she going? Oh, she's just running around, having a good time. Wow, she's having a really good time. She's very energetic. Jeez. Okay, she's probably like, I was stuck in storage for so long. Okay. And let's see. We are going to name her. Give me 1 second to see if there are actually any name suggestions that would fit with polar bears. Give me 1 second, guys. Might be in here. I know I wrote it down somewhere. Aha! Here we go. So, let me just look really quickly. I think Sitka would actually be a very pretty name for her. I believe that is actually, well, it's a Disney name, because that was what it was suggested as, by, who is it by? Michelle Horwitz. So thank you so much. Why are you running? You look suspicious when you run. It's not small. Bigger. People, do not see how big this is. You guys like get tired out by the time you guys get over here. Look, I'm trying to make you guys a really cool zoo over here. Just give me money. See, this is what I wish I could communicate with people in Planet Zoo. Okay, so we have Sitka, I believe, well, like I said, first of all, that is a, okay, we can unpause. That is a type of tree, I believe, in Alaska. I think it's native to Alaska. Don't quote me on that, though. Oh my goodness. What happened to you? Is the power out? Where is our power? Hello? Solar panel. We're supposed to be giving, Yes, I'm aware. Power. Where's power? Why wasn't I aware of this before? Ah, okay. Okay. Oh, it's just one section, isn't it? Let's see. Temperature. No! Fine, I'll give you guys another powered generator thing. It's not helpful to the environment, but... Does a wind turbine? Oh, geez, a wind turbine covers a ton. Okay, if it goes here, it'll cover almost everything. Then we just gotta get a path. That's actually, oh, dang it. decently expensive. Okay. No. Stop being the weird grid thing. Stop. Please stop. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. Again, guys, it will take me a little to get used to the mechanics of Planet Zoo again. But that is okay. Okay, staff paths. Good. Yeah. Okay. Do you guys even have coolers in here? Yes, you do. You may work now. Oh wait, no, that's not a cooler. Did we never put coolers in? Are they just... So there's no coolers in here, huh? And our money just went down because of that. Okay. I guess we'd better get some coolers in here then. Habitat, there we go. Alright, let's get... Yeah, okay, so we don't have any coolers, but it's not that hot. Maybe because it's kind of close to summer. Okay, I think 3 will be good. Hey, you guys... Yeah, okay. They're freaking out right now, but they haven't done this before. I don't know why they're doing it now. Okay, we're actually going to get rid of this camera because we don't really need it. Alright, so don't think we'll be able to work on it. Finally, our guests are happy. I don't know what changed. Maybe it's only 66 degrees Fahrenheit. See, I actually really like that I changed this, so, now I'm actually able to read what this is, because I'm not able... Ma'am, you're not on the path. That's fine. That's completely fine. What are our quests? Adopt, exhibit species, overall star rating, and no crime for 3 months. I find it slightly concerning that we have crime. We can't even go a month without it. So you know what? Security guard. I'm sorry. I've been like flying you over the whole zoo. Got a nice tour before he, actually don't know if there's a she. Before they started. And, Arctic theme, so, wait, I actually need that. Because I want a statue for Snowball. Okay, I think, where would it be? Construction? And centerpieces. Oh, here, statues. Oh, not glass. We don't want glass statues. Is there a polar? Yes! Okay. Which one? This one or... It's an ice sculpture! Let's see, but Snowball... Okay, I think we're going to have an ice sculpture. Even though it is more expensive. Snowball, she was here. This is year 19. She's been here, like, for a while. And we can put it right there. And we can name it Snowball. And then Generation 1. Because she is Generation 1, and then eventually if there's multiple births, so for example if oh cool, look, see it's turning cloudy. Can I see that? I can. Very cool. Whoa, I just said hello to some people. That's fine. Alright, yeah, so now we have okay. I wasn't able to scroll down. So now we actually have Snowball. So Snowball Generation 1, and then like I was saying, if there's multiple births, so for example, Yotimo, Snowball, and Icicle's son, and then if Icicle, well, someone just gave a big yawn. If Snowball and Sitka were to have another child, that would be considered Generation 2 still, but it would be, gosh, it would be, it wouldn't be litter 2, but, what do you call that? No. Let's see. Zoopedia. Here we go. No. Okay, I can't type today. Polar bear. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so I have no clue what well, we're nature wolves, so I know a lot about wolves, so like a little wolf pups. We don't have our wolves out right now, and we have a statue of Root. Wait, okay, did Root die? Root. Okay, no, okay, Root's still alive. I was like, uh-oh. I couldn't remember, it's just been so long. Okay, so, really hoping we can get down money. How much have we, yeah. We've, earned a bunch this year. So I'm hoping we can start on this. I just need to think about the best way to do so, because I want to have kind of a separate path that goes under. I just need to find let's see, I kind of want like an archway, but like glass. Okay, archway. Kind of like a tube almost. Like kind of like these. A tunnel. Okay, this is a glass one. That's actually exactly what I want. Okay, it's getting snowy, it's getting cold. Also, this one is actually really cool. How are these different? Ice block wall arch. Oh, I see. This one has arches. Okay. Yeah, so I kind of want this glass tunnel, like, leading down into... Ooh, it just got very dark and stormy. Jeez. Okay. Yeah, so that's basically what I wanted. So I'm glad I found it, because we are nearing, 40,000, which is what I want. See, this is what I want over in the Arctic, just constantly snowy. Let me turn my light on. Oh, did I just turn it off? Yeah, so I want, like, snow, and then there's going to be this icy river that leads into the polar bear's place, which is first. Then I think we're going to have the Arctic wolves, because we love wolves here. Are they out, or are they in... I think they're in storage. Yeah, they're in storage. And you know what? Just because we can, the next section is going to be the swimming animals. Why is this highlighted? Okay. I don't know why that Oh, because we're using the trade center. That makes sense. Okay. And just to see. Okay, so we actually took the least expensive female. So I'm actually glad that we just made a decision. So let me uncheck the polar bear. And I know, okay, we're getting close on the money. I need to look in geography for any exhibit animals that live in the water. Because I'm pretty sure there's one. Okay, just exhibit animals. And yes, guys, I'm going to check every one, even though most of them, you know, I'm not dumb. Even though most of them I know, like, won't be. Aha, see, the diamondback terrapin, I believe, is that the only one? So it's the diamondback terrapin, the gharial, anything else? Let's see, but I think the terrapin, came in the Arctic pack, if I am correct. Yeah, okay. Where can I see this? Let's see. Don't know where it says so, but I'm almost certain. So, and wow, this place looks amazing. Look at these mountains, the sun, wow. And on a huge lake of water, that'll look great. And guys, I think next time we're going to be able to finally work on the polar bears exhibit without going into a deep, deep pit of doom. Oh no, the snow just melted. Well, it melted off all the mountains. Okay, so let's just get, let me zoom in, please. Some terrapins, and maybe that will draw people to the end of the zoo. Also, how are our little babies doing? Noah. Wait, there's only 3 adults? Right, I remember that now. We have Olaf, Wynette, and then James. James is napping over here. Yeah, and then we also have Charlotte. Okay, so I know this will cost money, but it will also draw people over here. So let's just get, I know it's ugly. Yeah, this one's the cheapest one. So, okay. Will it not connect to this path? Hello? Okay, apparently not. It's fine. And let's see, on the exhibit trading, the terrapins. Starts with the D diamondback terrapins. Okay, there's one that works. Although, I feel like there should be more. So why are you unhappy? No clue. I don't understand with these guests. They want a better zoo, but I wish I could communicate to them that I'm trying so hard. How big is this? Is this 8? No, it's 7? That looks way bigger. Is this like 5? What is this? 5? 6. Maybe? I think it's 5. Okay. Yes, okay, so it is 5, but it narrows in over here. Okay, let's, no. Don't want to care about the other paths. I want this path. Now this one, ooh, we got it there for a sec. No, not here. No, okay. So, gotta be quick. Okay. It's fine. Oh, there. Okay, that was actually very nice. Okay, then we have this circle here. And it's snowing again. That's what I love about... Uh-oh. Okay, strange, but it'll work. It's workable. Okay, and now we just have to get this path, and I love how they instantly become covered in snow. Look at that! And now our place is a lovely winter wonderland again. And yes, I just spent like all the money that I was gonna use. Okay. There we go. Zoe. I'm going to send you in here. Uh-oh. Okay. Hold on, Zoe. Well, we'll come to the rescue. Still nothing. Okay. But we will do that next time, guys. So please like and subscribe if you can. Zoe. So please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue. Okay, I can't find Zoe. Uh-oh. What now? Okay, yes, I'm aware. As we continue with Planet Zoo, where we will still always mourn the loss of Snowball. Oh, that's so cool. He's like getting insects? I don't know. As we mourn the loss always of Snowball, the first death in our zoo. So alright, guys. Nature Wolf. Oh, they're playing. Nature Wolf out.